All right, welcome to Klotz Lake up here in Ontario, Canada. We both got our bears and time to get out on the water and do some fishing. So, guys at the dock over here caught a few little pikes. So I'm gonna give it a shot right here, and then we're probably gonna go over that way. Pretty windy today though, so we'll see how it goes. I got one. My first pike ever.
First pike.
Got a pike.
Rainbow pike.
Not a big one, but we got one. Come here, buddy. Look at that little guy.
He's cool.
Look at that little guy. Oh!
Nope, we caught him.
Self-release. I didn't get a picture.
14?
Nah, he was bigger than that.
Okay.
They're just long and skinny. They don't have a size to them.
Deceptive.
Yeah.
Is that a spinner bait?
Spinner bait with a little paddle tail. If something starts working, man, I got everything. We'll just change baits. And
This little cove is nice.
maybe there's more in here. We could always throw the anchor in, fish for a little bit too. You're out of here, Bass fighter. Are you serious?
Yes, he's right here.
Get him. I'm filming.
I felt the bomb when I just slowed it down. He's snuck it in right. About the same size.
You should have done that. Keep it in the water. Nice. Oh, pike. Hold on.
You got your GoPro on?
Yep.
I got him good. Yeah!
He's in the net.
I caught
In the net.
Pike. I don't even know what to say. It's the first fish I've had on in 22 years. I don't want to do anything. You get him.
I'm gonna get hooked here. Oh, is he caught up in the net pretty good? I need these. Let's get this out of his face. Good job, Stacy. Oh, he killed that thing too.
Oh, he was hooked.
I got him. You wanna make sure? Let's hold on. Yes. Okay, just stay right there. Okay.
Just do that.
Oh, that's gonna be a good photo. Hold on.
Yeah, I'll just...
God, if I can get out of here in the valley. Okay, I'm ready. Let's do one quick one. I got you.
This one was cool. Wow, yeah, I got a pike. Only cast 100 times. Oh, there's one right there.
Did you see one?
It came right to the boat.
Oh, thought I had a hit there.
It came right to the boat.
There he is. Oh, Skirmsy was right there. He's trying to come up and get it. Oh, he took it right out of his mouth. Yeah, you had it for a second. I'm gonna go to the Red Devil just to get a smaller profile and see if I can't catch a couple. I'm gonna try this. Is he there? Huh? You got him. You got him.
I got him.
You still have him?
Yep, let's let him.
All right. I'll net him. Can you bring him over here? There we go. That's two. That's the same size fish. Want another picture? Okay. Kill him real quick.
So better health. Yeah, this was going the other way, so we'll know if they're different.
Are you ready? I got it.
Did you get it?
Yep. like we just drift along the edge of this grass. We'll take it to the point, and then we'll come back. I'm gonna see if I can catch one on this little guy. Let's see if they want it.
Oh, he's on.
You got one?
Yeah.
Oh, you do got one.
He's on, baby.
Well, you are killing them, dude. Got you. There he is. He's off. He's out. I'm setting that down. Setting that down.
You got fish on the boat.
All cookie cutters.
I ripped his lip off of it.
He'll live. He'll be fine.
Dude, he's got fishing line on him. Is that from the boat? Oh, that's from the boat.
Because I can't. Huh? Is he?
Got him.
That's a little better one.